Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a really quick video of how to get ready in the morning for work in less than 5 minutes. It's going to be really short. I won't be talking throughout the video. If you want to see how I achieve this dewy natural look, just keep on watching.
Your credit card, Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit, trying to be cool. So here we go again, here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I'm looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
Alright guys, this is the final look 8 hours later on. I just got back from work. This is usually how my skin looks after wearing makeup for over 8 hours. It looks very dewy, but that's just because I have very oily skin. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.